Hi, dear all. I'm Dr. PLN. Welcome to my talk on thinking. Today's topic of thinking is sensitivity in learning. By the way, what is sensitivity? Sensitivity is when we have the senses, we are putting all those senses into some matter. That is called sensitivity. So we can understand something sensitively in the sense, with all our senses, we are receiving it. So here, what I mean to say that in learning, we need sensitivity as a predominant strategy. Without sensitivity, we just remain with desire. Yeah, people desire to become a doctor, to become an engineer, to become a collector. Okay, all these different professions, they desire. Yeah, desiring is not ambition. How ambition is created, is generated, is because of sensitivity in learning. I'm going to exemplify this matter about sensitivity. Okay, for example, what is H2O? Yeah, if you ask many science students, generally they come up with answer H2O is water. Yes, of course, water. What is its chemical combination in chemistry? H is hydrogen and O is oxygen. They say it. Yes, of course. They read it and they say it. But here, the sensitivity is, what is hydrogen? Hydrogen is a gas. What is oxygen? Oxygen is a gas. Oh, gas and gas, when they are mixed, it becomes water? Yeah, that is some kind of amazing thing. That is called sensitivity. If you felt, you have sensitivity really. If it is not so, we are just reading it for the sake of keeping information in our mind, but we don't have any sensitivity towards it. It is a very gentle sense, you see, some kind of inspiring thing, some kind of amazement. Gas and gas, when mixed, it becomes water. Oh, what a wonderful thing this is. So that is called sensitivity. I'm going to give some other example. You got fever. You go to doctor, and doctor gives you a pill. After taking the pill, you will recover within 1 day. So if you get sensitivity towards it, you will feel, oh, this small pill, when I take, after going into stomach, what a miracle does this? What kind of miracle is this? What does it contain? Small pill. What is this combination of medicine? And how, after going into the stomach, how it kills bacteria? Oh, really? Where is the bacteria located in the body? Oh, really? This is this kind of sensitivity, amazing feeling of amazement when people have generally, students, I mean to say, when students have, they tend to understand what this is. If the subject is related to them, then immediately they tend to become a doctor and they will find what is going on, why it is going on, how interesting it is. That is called sensitivity. And one more observation I'm going to tell you. Even sometimes, take the word transformer. Transformer, what is transformer? Transformer is a device. In physics, generally students come across transformer. Okay, when they are studying some electrical devices, transformer is there. Yeah. Then, if you ask some students generally, what is transformer? Transformer, that is something connected with power, electricity. Yeah, of course. But here, transformer, why was it named transformer? If sensitivity operates, the question will arise in mind why it is named transformer. Yes, of course. Now, return. Transformer. Many students say, we don't know why. Because transform, three units are there in the word within. Trans is change, form is shape, and is something that doer. Okay, what does it do? Trans, change. It changes the form of something. It changes the form of electricity. What it does? Transformer does. Transformer changes the electricity, the high voltage electricity, into smaller units, so that it can be connected to different houses in smaller units. If it is connected in larger amounts, houses will blow with explosions. Okay, that's why what this device, a transformer, does is it converts the high voltage energy into smaller units. This is there in physics. If you get it, if you understand the sensitive nature of learning, you will do many things. Generally, what people do is they come up with desire. Many students, they come up with desire. Of course, they put hard work too, but for many people, this doesn't work. Okay, what they need to have is they need sensitivity. Okay, what desire, sensitivity. When these two things are combined, it becomes ambition. Ambition is formalized, organized because of sensitivity. Okay, if you just have desire, it's not going to work properly. That's why many students drop in the middle. They have aims, they have desires, but meanwhile, within the middle section, they just drop out. Okay, so what we need is sensitivity to make our ambitions, goals, and then we can succeed in whatever the profession we wanted. Okay, that's all for now. I hope the information is useful to the people. Thank you for watching. See you again. Thank you.